This is Alessandro. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you had a great start to the day so far. I just want to record this in order to show you some of the new updates that we deployed within the October release of Snapcode. Yeah, and I will start talking about Flow, which, as you know, is the feature that allows you to request media from your customers, and it will make it easier for them to share anything by simply clicking on the link. Yeah, so. As per today, it was possible to just create a flow with one single banner showing the customer what they need to do, what they need to record, and one specific set of AI skills. So you could have customized AI output based on what you would like Snapcode to do. So what is changed? You will now be able to create a multi-step flow for all those situations where the customer needs to provide multiple media, not only one. Yeah, let's think about, for example, the car rental use case where the customer might be asked to provide different picture of the car. So you might want to give different instruction to the customer, such as make a picture of the front side of the car first. Now make a picture of the internal part of the car for then, etc., etc., etc. Yeah, you will be able to deliver this kind of experience with the new October release that we implemented. Yeah, so how does it work now that this is live? So when you create a new flow, you will be redirected to our new flow builder, where there are three different tabs: general, configuration, and outcomes. Yeah, so on the general tab, you can define how this option will be visible within your public page, meaning that if a customer opens that, how they will see that within the page itself. Yeah. So here you can set up a different picture will be different from the one shows on the banner on the Stream UI itself. And as well, you'll be able to provide a different name and a different description compared to what the customer will see when they will open the Stream UI. Yeah. And same as the previous version, we'll be able to define the output language. You can enable the stock image detection, as well as you can ask customers to provide their location when they are recording the media. So far, so good. And nothing much changed over here compared to the previous version. Yeah. So the majority of the changes are actually within the configuration tab, where you can define multiple steps, as I'm showing you over here. You can create, you can add as many steps as you would like to. And for each steps, you can, first of all, add the picture. It can be a GIF as well, so that the customer will see that animated. And you can provide a title for the banner, as well as a set of instructions, something that you want the customer to follow, for example. Yeah. And this is about the instruction that the customer will see when they will open the step. But another thing, of course, you will be able to define what the customer will be able to record, meaning which type of media. And this is something that you will be able to define for each of the steps that you create on the flow itself. Yeah. And a third thing, last but not least, of course, you will be able to add AI skills for each of the steps that you define. So, for example, if you expect the customer to provide a picture of the document within a step one, let's say, I assume that you might want to extract information from that document. And so within the step one, you can enable data extract. So you can extract, for example, an IBAN number from that picture. Yeah. And then you can say, I want to have that information within that specific custom fields. Yeah. So long story short, you'll be able to define for each of the steps all the AI skills that you need Snapcode to execute. Yeah, which is very good, because it allows you to really build an experience that is as flexible as possible for your needs, but also, you will be able to tell the customer specifically what they need to do, and you'll be able to tell Snapcode as well what you expect as an outcome. Yeah, with the AI skills that you will be able to define. So this is all about the different steps that you can define. There is as well a new feature called external links. These are basically links that you can provide to the customer as soon as they go through the whole experience of the flow, from the very first step till the last one. Yeah. So, for example, let's say if you want to provide some useful information such as privacy policy, any sort of policy that you have internally to your organization, if you want this information to be available for the customers after they go through the whole flow, here is where you can add that link. You can make it available for the customers. They will see that within the user interface when they will finish recording everything they want to. Yeah. Um, and last but not least, we also have the outcome tabs. Here is where you'll be able to define how the information should pop up within the CRM tickets. Yeah, so all those AI outputs that Snapcall is able to provide. So let's say, do I want Snapcall to provide a private note or a public note within the ticket so customers can see that? Do I want all the AI outputs to be visible for the customer? If yes, just need to switch that Snapcall comment to public so the customer will see that. Otherwise, you can leave it or private. Or if you don't want any comments at all from Snapcall within the ticket, you can just switch that off. Yeah, and that's it really. Or you can have more control on the information that you want to have on the ticket. If you don't want the AI outputs within the ticket itself, all you need to do, simply click on this option, hide AI, so that you will only have the notification from Snapcall when a new media is received. Yeah, so as simple as that. And once you are happy with the flow configuration and you are happy to go live, all you need to do, you click on publish so that Snapcall will be able to provide you, first of all, with a QR code that you can give to the customer so that they can scan it with their mobile phone, or you will be able to share a link to the customer, yeah, so that they will be able to go through the whole experience, yeah. And just to show you, like very briefly, how the customer will see this new experience, yeah. So the first step is going to be the same. You will be able to request the customer for their email address, and that would be pretty much nothing new over there. And this is how the experience will look like within the stream interface. So as a customer, I can, of course, allow or deny video and audio accesses. I can prompt a QR code in case I would like to switch to a mobile device. Otherwise, I can just go through the desktop experience. And here is where I will see all the steps one by one. And this is how I will see them prompted by Snapcall. Yeah, so step one, now make a video. So I can simply click on the button start in order to make a video and move forward. And then once I'm done recording the media, I will be able to go through all the different steps accordingly. So I can simply submit this one, and there you go. I will be able to see the second step, and I will go through the whole experience. Yeah. So I hope this is helpful. Of course, if you have any question, please feel free to drop them to our email address, support@snapcall.io, or you can also get in touch with us by using our widget, which is available on our website. As soon as you log in, drop us a question and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Yeah. So once again, I hope you have a great rest of the day. Thanks for watching this video, and yeah, take care. Bye-bye.